Hello friends, as you see that today is our discussion about solve mathematical expression with the MATLAB. Let's see. Our first expression is a y equal to mx plus c. How can we implement this in the MATLAB? Let's see. First we will write a command with the help of percentage. This is used for write a command percentage sign. Let's see expression. First y equal to m into x plus c. In this equation we will see that m and c is a constant. For this m and c we will assign a value. Assume m equal to 2 and c equal to 3 and x is a variable. Then we will have to assume the value of the x. Let's assume the x is equal to 5. When the element in the x is 1, then we can multiply with the help of the only multiple sign. Let's see. For this equation solve, now we will write a equation y equal to m into x plus c. See this is a solution of this equation y equal to 13. If we have more than one element in the variable x, then for this solve equation we will use a product multiplication here, dot multiplication. Let's see. If we have a x equal to 1 to 5, means if we have a element in the variable x is more than 1. Let's see what is the value of the x. You see the value of x is 1 2 3 4 5. Then how can we solve this equation with the for the 5 value of the x? Let's see. Y equal to m dot into x multiplication plus c. Here you are seeing that this is the value of y for each value of x. When you will put the value of the x equal to 1 in this equation, then answer will be 5, and then next you will be put the 2 at the place of x, then you will got answer of is 7. And now we will discuss next equation. So our second equation is the y equal to x square plus bx plus c. So let's see. First write the equation in the command line. Y equal to a x square plus bx plus c. In this equation, first we see what is the constant and what is the variable, because we will assign the value to the constant and to the variable. In this equation we see that the a is a constant, b is a constant, and c is a constant, and in this x is a variable. So we will assign the value to the constant first and assume a equal to 2, b equal to 2 and c equal to 5. And now the time to assign the value to the variable x. Assume x equal to 5. Now we will take only one element in the variable x. Let's we write a expression that we want to solve. Y equal to a multiple x plus b multiple x plus c. Now we will see what is the result. This is a 65. This is used for only one element in the variable x. If we have a more than one element in the x, then we will solve this equation with the help of dot product. See, y first we assign a value to the x equal to 1 2 5, and now you see that what is the value of x is the value 1 2 3 4 5. Now we will write a equation, this y equal to a into x into x into x. Now we will use the dot multiplication, because the mean of the dot multiplication is this x is element is multiplied with this x element individually. Now let's see what is the answer of this equation. Now you see that we have a now 5 value of the x. Now the result of the y is 5. When we put the value of x equal to 1, then the value of the y is 9 2 17 3 29 4 45 5 65. When we will put the value of x in this equation one by one, then we got a result is this. Next, now we will discuss next equation, y equal to log x log y. For this, first we will clear the command window with the help of clc command, and clear the workspace with the help of clear all. First we will write the equation that we are solving now. Y equal to log x into log y. See, in this equation what is the variable? In this equation you are seeing that there are not any constant, there is x and y is a variable. We will write the x and y and assign the value to the x and y. Assume x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Now for solve this equation, we write the equation in the command window. Y equal to log, as we know that the base of the log is a 10, so we write 10, and what is the value of the variable x equal to 2. Now in this we write a x, and next we are doing multiplication of the log x and log y, so we use a multiple sign, and next log 10 is the base of the log, and now we will write y. Let's see, sorry, we change this y because we have taken this before. We assume z. Okay, let's see, here you will see that what is the value of the equation. If we now we see that what is the value of log 10x z log 10 x 0.3010 is the value of the log 2. Now we will see what is the value of the log 3. Then see log 10 y, because in this y stored a 3. Let's see what is the value of the log 3, 0.4771. Okay, thank you.